Dealing with a breakup and moving on. Breakups can be extremely painful, but they are a part of life. The good news is that there are steps you can take to heal and move forward. In this tutorial, we'll explore some strategies that can help you deal with a breakup and move on. Step 1. Allow yourself to feel your emotions. It's important to acknowledge your feelings and allow yourself to experience them. Whether you feel angry, sad, or confused, allow yourself to feel and process these emotions. This can help you come to terms with the breakup and move forward. Step 2. Take care of yourself. Self-care is essential during this time. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and exercising regularly. Treat yourself to activities you enjoy, such as reading a book, going for a walk, or watching a movie. Step 3. Seek support. Reach out to friends and family members for support. Talking to someone can help you feel better and gain a new perspective on the situation. Consider seeking professional help if you're having a difficult time coping with the breakup. Step 4. Focus on the present. Avoid dwelling on the past and focus on the present. Think about what you want to achieve in the future and set goals for yourself. This can help you stay motivated and focused on moving forward. Step 5. Learn from the experience. Breakups can be an opportunity for personal growth. Think about what you've learned from the relationship and the breakup. Use these lessons to improve your future relationships and your own personal growth. How to communicate effectively in a relationship. Effective communication is key to a successful relationship. It can help you build trust, respect, and intimacy with your partner. Here are some tips for communicating effectively in a relationship. Tip 1. Listen actively. One of the most important aspects of effective communication is active listening. This means paying attention to what your partner is saying and responding in a thoughtful and respectful manner. Tip 2. Express yourself clearly. Be clear and direct when expressing your thoughts and feelings to your partner. Avoid using vague language or making assumptions about what your partner is thinking or feeling. Tip 3. Practice empathy. Try to see things from your partner's perspective and show empathy. This can help you understand their feelings and build a deeper connection. Tip 4. Use I statements. When expressing a concern or issue, use I statements instead of you statements. For example, say, I feel upset when, instead of you